Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Docs tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to save your Google Docs file as password protected PDF using your Google Drive without any stress. Let me show you how to get it done for file protection. So for that, what you need to do right here is to make sure you upload your Google Docs file to your Google Drive, whether Google Docs file or MS Word. You can upload it on your Google Drive. And I'm going to use a particular docs example right here. So you can see this particular docs file is what I'm going to use right here. But before we can use this particular features, you need to make sure you download and install a third-party app that allow you to create a password protected file with your Google Docs. So for you to download the app, what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here, click on settings, then go ahead and click on settings right here, and then go ahead and click on manage apps. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you click on connect more apps. So the apps you need to download and install to your Google Drive is going to be listed right here. So just like so, we have all available third-party app right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see all the apps right here. So I have already downloaded and installed the app, and I'm going to show you the name of the app right here. So I'm going to close this tab right here, and I have already downloaded the app. So this is the app we're going to use. Password Protect for Google Docs. So you can see the app has been already installed. So next thing we want to do is to see how we can use this app to create password protected PDF in our Google Docs. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and come back to my Google Drive right here. Then I'm going to use this particular Google Docs right here. So I've installed the file. Click on these three dots right here, and go ahead and click on open with. So once you connect the app, you have the app right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on Password Protect for Google Docs. Click on that, and the file is going to be successfully loaded up right here, and it has been fully added right here. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and enter your password right here. So once you enter your password, go ahead and make sure you click on Create Password Protected Document. Now you can see completed. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here. We make sure we click on the download right here. So you have download button right here. Go ahead and click on it. And then next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on download anyway. So you can see the file is going to be in PDF. Go ahead and click on save. So after a successful download, you can easily open up the file. So once you click on file, it's going to ask for a password. So you want to make sure you enter your password and hit on submit, and you have access back to the file just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks, and Google Drive, Google Docs productivities like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.